Now, good morning, children. Today, again, we'll continue with exercise 6.5. Now, uh, yesterday I gave you homework till question number 4. I just need to explain what you are going to do in question number 5. Now, question number 5, it is the square of the hypotenuse. This is a right angle triangle. Always try to make rough figure. This is a right angle triangle. Square of hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, this is one side, that is base, and this is the perpendicular. Okay. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. And according to question, you are given hypotenuse square as 288 square centimeter. And it is an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles means other two sides are going to be equal. Then only it is going to be an isosceles. Isosceles triangle is where two sides are equal. So then only it is going to be isosceles right angle triangle. This you don't know. So I will take them as x and this also as x. Both are same. So variable I have taken same for them. So this is going to be 2x square. 1 and 1, 1 plus 1, 2, and this is the variable x square. So it will remain as it is. So write 2x square on the left hand side because we write variables on the left hand side. Nothing I have done in this step. Now just take the whole number 2 to your right hand side. This becomes 144. Now write the prime factors for 144. 2, 7, 2, 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So x multiplied by x is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now check the pairs. All are in pairs. So this is 2, this is 2, and from this pair I'll take 3, and my answer is going to be 4 into 3, that is 12. 12. So x, from this also I am going to take 1. So the value for x, that is one of the side, is 12 centimeter. Is that clear? So from each pair you are going to take 1, as from on the left hand side also you are going to take 1. Don't think from 1 you have to take, from every pair you have to take 1 and then you will multiply. So the value of x is 12 centimeter. So each of the equal sides are going to be of 12 centimeter. In this manner, this is your question number 5, which I have already solved for you. Now comes question number 6, which says that you have to tell true and false. A right angle triangle has the angle measurement of ratio 1:2:2. Will this be possible? Angles in measurement ratio should be 1:2:2. Question 6, A part, you have to tell whether this statement is true or false. Now, they have asked for a right angle triangle. even if I say two angles are equal, means this angle is different, this is going to be of 90 degree. Okay, these two angles are going to be equal. Suppose I write here x and this is 2x and this is 2x, means this is an isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, and we know that 90 degree angle is going to be the largest one. इससे और दूसरा एंगल इससे बड़ा तो नहीं बन सकता ना राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में, बाकी दोनों एंगल्स छोटे ही होंगे, बट रेशो में वो दिखा रहा है अगर एक एंगल x है तो दूसरा 2x, और 2x ये पॉसिबल होगा नहीं अगर अकेले एंगल को मैं 90, बिकॉज ये दोनों तो सेम हैं, अगर इसको मैं 90 लेती हूँ तो ये 90 के डबल पॉसिबल होंगे नहीं, ये ट्राइंगल पॉसिबल ही नहीं होगा. इज दैट क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस इज योर explanation that why we are writing this statement as false. It is false, which I want to make you clear. Now, then in your question number 6b part, the measurements are given as 7, 1 and 9 centimeter. Whether this triangle is going to be, it is not written right angle, it is the only the triangle is possible or not. Side measurements are given. So by applying the sum of two sides should always be greater than the third side. 7 plus 1 is greater than 9? No, 8 is not greater than 9. So this triangle is not going to be possible, as all other rest of the two, 9 plus 1 is greater, that is 10 is greater than 7, and 16 is also greater than 1. Rest of the two conditions are okay, but 1 is not satisfying it. So means this triangle will not be possible. Now from applying thoughts, question number 1, for rest of the questions the figures are given. Question number 1.